are pleased to show you the 2020 Ford Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, lane departure warning, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear view mirror, keyless start, floor mats, front-wheel drive, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost. Come take a test drive today.